What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Manji TV. Today we have the M2 race car back on the lift. We're doing some more modifications. Super stoked about this one. I've been waiting to try one of these out. Finally found a good deal on Marketplace. This is a Akrapovič mid-pipe, or link set, they call it, from Akrapovič. Full titanium. I also have some downpipes from a friend. I already have downpipes on the car, which if you guys remember, but these are some Fi exhaust downpipes. These are just slightly higher quality than the CTS ones for a few reasons. One, the material is just thicker and the overall shape and bend of them fits the car better, but these flex joints allow the exhaust to flex a little bit when you hit the ground. As you'll see here, my mid pipe has hit the ground a few times in a few spots and gotten pretty banged up, and I'm definitely worried about that happening. So having those flex joints with this titanium mid pipe will allow for a little bit more flex in the exhaust and hopefully also just sit higher, being higher quality and better fitment. If you guys remember, we have some CTS downpipes already previously in the car. They're a great product for the price, but I figured since we have these and we're already doing the mid pipe, and I just feel like this exhaust is sitting a little bit low, since doing the downpipes, we might as well try another set of downpipes since we have them. So we're gonna be trying those. We'll also show you some differences, as I do have another set of downpipes on the car. Once again, we'll be pulling this center brace. We're gonna be pulling the whole muffler down. So you've got two 13mm bolts each side there at the muffler. We've got two here at the diff on each side, one per side. We've got our connector for our exhaust. We'll be undoing that and working our way forward. We have two E10 bolts. We'll be undoing those for the exhaust mount. Four 11mm nuts. These are actually 13s with the CTS, but factory is 11. You're gonna be taking those off. Our O2 sensors here at the bottom, the 13mm clamps up at the turbos, and then we'll switch out our O2s into the new downpipes, fit those to the car, and then fit the muffler. And once we fit the mid pipe, we will be taking some measurements before putting it on the car, because we will have to chop the exhaust in a few spots to mate it to the factory muffler. This car already having a modified mid pipe, we may run into a little bit of additional struggles when it comes to fitment. So we'll see what I have to do. The plan is to get the back box long term, but for now we're still gonna be running this factory muffler. It's what we got for now. For whatever reason, the guy chose to sell the system in two pieces, or at least, I don't know if somebody had the mid pipe, but somebody purchased the muffler from this guy, but not the mid pipe. So I don't know what kind of crazy does that. He must have either had the mid pipe or just really didn't have the money. I don't know. In my opinion, I think you need both. So the plan is to get a full Acra system long term, but for now, we have this beautiful, slightly used Akrapovič mid pipe. It's got a tiny bit of scrapes here, as the other car it came off of was extremely low. I already kind of planned to have the same thing happen in our car, so we aren't too worried about it. But yeah, let's go ahead, stop talking about it, get these Fi exhaust, downpipes, and Akrapovič link pipe set on the car and see how it sounds. We'll get you some sound clips after we install it. But yeah, super stoked, and let's go ahead and get it done. Guys, downpipes are out, full mid pipe off. We're about to swap everything over. I thought this was kind of interesting. Since I had multiple sets of S55 downpipes, I figured we might as well just take a look at them all side by side. So starting from the left here, we have our Fi exhaust, stainless steel with flex joints downpipes. We have some CTS downpipes that are catless as well as those, but these have no flex joint. To the right of those, we have some MAD high flow catted downpipes, and to the right of that we have the factories. As you can see with the factories and the MADs, the flex joint basically looks the same and essentially seems to be in the same factory location, going for a factory fitment there. Those are nice replacement for those of you that don't want fully catted, don't like the smell of it, or have emissions in your states. These here in the middle between the three are great if you're on a budget, and most people aren't ever going to care about the flex joints. The flex joints just help a little bit to reduce stress on the exhaust system as well as fitment ease. And the last ones here, and some other brands make flex jointed downpipes, but these are very high quality. The Fi exhaust are like $1,200, where these are like $350. So huge price difference between the two. And to be honest, the weight is drastic. These are actually heavier. So what's funny is we're putting on a titanium exhaust and we're going to be losing some weight with that, but we're adding some weights with the downpipes. Now I think it's going to be worth it, as I believe the fitment is going to be better, which should tuck the exhaust a little bit higher and protect the exhaust, as well as these flex joints are going to help with fitment. And if we do hit the exhaust, giving it a little bit of wiggle room to hopefully protect our super expensive titanium mid-pipe. But overall, here's some more close-ups. We're going to get these Fi exhaust downpipes on the car. We don't have the muffler installed yet, but we have the mid-pipe on, everything tight. Let's go ahead and get the first start. Ooh. Might have to leave it straight piped. That sounds already so much better. Woo! This is what it looks like. We still have to put our back section on, cut the muffler. Just want to get some sound clips. It's hanging here just off of one mount. So we'll go ahead, finish this up, get it all fitted correctly. But quick look at it. Everything's in tight. Got the Fi downpipes in. Sounds great. Oh man, this thing sounds so good. No muffler hooked up right now. Damn, she sounds good. We're gonna get this muffler hooked up tomorrow and get her on the road. But sadly, unfortunately, I would take her for a test drive, but it's raining. We'll see you guys in the next one.
If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one.